Hey guys, what's up? It's your favorite girl, Vex21, and I'm back at it with another video. This video is gonna be super short. I got a lot of stuff to do, surprise like friend thing, so I'm just gonna give this straight to you guys. This is about this new set. I don't know, I hope the camera focuses. This is a press-on set, y'all. Can y'all believe that? Look at how gorgeous that looks. Like, I feel like Cardi B or whatever. So I wanted to tell you guys about this new set, a little bit about a review thing. You guys tend to really like my nail videos and things that I have to do about nails and stuff. So, I mean, like, why not talk about it? So this is the Kiss Masterpiece One of a Kind Luxe Mani. These are brand new. I got this at CVS, so go ahead and head to your local CVS's. I bought 2 packs because they're so cute. They're $11.99. And they come with the jewels, and then here, as you can see, which is, whoops, I don't want to flip you guys off, so I'm gonna like hold up a figure, but this one has like, it's almost like a chrome, like a pink chrome on it. You guys can probably see in the package, but even the packaging is like very nice, velvet, soft. These have lasted me, again, because you guys know I do my little tricks and tips. My nails have been breaking off due to what's going on with my immune system right now, my face. That's why I don't have no damn makeup on, of course. But these are super bomb. Like, everybody needs to go to CVS and go pick these up. If you guys don't know how to keep these on for like 3 weeks at a time, I do have a separate video on that, and that'll tell you everything that you need to know, tips, tricks, all of that good jazz, whatever. But I just want to come on here really quick and let you guys know about this set here. Hopefully I can get a hair video up for you guys this week on Wednesday, which, you know, your girl does magic or whatever. Anyway, make sure you guys go pick these up at CVS. If you guys have any questions about these nails or how they are or anything like that, the only thing, and now that I think about it, the only thing is the pinky. So the pinky, they're a little bigger than the pack. I have a really small pinky. It's very unusual compared to the rest of my fingers, but the pinkies are a little bit larger. But if you never had a problem like fitting into nails or anything like that later on, then these will be perfect for you. And they have like nice length, as you guys can see. Like, they're really like decent length. These are what I like, and they've been on for like a week, and they should pop in. Anyway, I'll see you guys Wednesday. I love you guys so much. Don't clock my way, because, bitch, I ain't laying on. I'm gonna be honest. I just threw this bitch on right now. Anyway, I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video.